Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. If a general election is called tomorrow, the governing Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, would have the edge. That's the finding of the latest RJR Gleaner Group Don Anderson poll, which has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has the details.
JLP, PNP, Labour Rights, Comrades. The countdown has begun to the next general election. The team, led by pollster Don Anderson, spoke to 1,000 persons between February 15 and March 3.
2019 poll just completed. 29% said they would vote for the Jamaica Labour Party, as against 18% who said they would vote for the People's National Party, a gap of 11 percentage points in favor of the JLP.
53% was undecided. So how does that compare to the 2018 polls? The JLP gained 3%, moving from 26 to 29, while the PNP lost 1%, moving from 19 to 18.
The gap is 11 percentage points in 2019, as against 7 percentage points in 2018. So we can see that the change in voter intention is not necessarily commensurate with the change in the perception of the parties. In other words, they've been able to change and increase the number of persons who think positively about the party, that's the Jamaica Labour Party. That hasn't been translated into necessary vote counts yet.
The number of undecided fell by 2%. Next question, why vote for the JLP? Respondents listed their reasons. 39%
of those who said they would vote for the Jamaica Labour Party believe the country is now under better management. So suggest their thinking. 27% said, I'm going to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party because I always vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. So there's no real thought going in apart from there's a loyalty factor which is coming over again. 15% say they want the country to remain in a good place.
Others liked the party's policies, while some thought the JLP needed another term. Same question, why vote for the PNP?
50% of all persons, so they're die-hard People's National Party. We're not concerned about issues around us. We are going to vote for PNP because we've always been PNP. That's 50%. 17% say that the country was better run under them. And a range of other smaller answers, such as 6% said they provided more opportunities when they were in office.
Others thought the PNP was more for the people, and some liked its policies.
There's a significant number of persons who are uncommitted at this point in time, and therefore there is a large pool of persons that both parties can reach out to. So I think because there wasn't a significant change between 2018 results and 2019 results, it suggests that both parties will have a difficult time converting those persons into real voters and holding the base that they currently have. Not much has happened between 2018 and 2019. So I think the jury is out as to how an election could go if it was called now.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.